Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Dribble, how to create a website for local artisan marketplaces business, easy and quick. So first type Dribble on the search. So as we know, the Dribble website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. So also we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first let's sign in. Now create new business and enter your business name. Type any business name you want. And select your industry. Like this. Now enter your location and choose your website language and create business. Now wait a few seconds to generate this website. Now let's go to the first section on the website, the header. You can edit the header from here. You can change the site name. Also here the logo, if you want to turn this on and replace the company name with the logo, you can upload a file. You can change the label or add a new label here, and you can add the link. Also here you can open link on a new page. You can edit your social links, and you can add a channel like this. Just select the type of the social link, for example Facebook, and here add the link. So that's it. If you want to edit the style of the section, positioning or the social icon, the size, the shape, or like this, for example the full width or the streaky or the spacing or the background. So let's save this. So if you want to add section on your website, just click here and select any section here you want. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section, the banner section on the website. You can change this, the heading. You can also regenerate another heading. You can change the subtext. If you don't like it, just click here and it will be changed. If you want to turn this on and add a new label or add a link. Also the style, if you want to edit your styles, it's your style of the section, spacing or the main height or the horizontal alignments, for example like this, or the background. Also if you want to generate another image, and here you can edit the image position. You can manage your background overlay, and here you can turn this on and combine with the header. So let's save this. The next section is the gallery section of the website. You can edit it from here. You can change this, and also here you can generate image. You can upload the image from browser. Just click here and search on image and put it here. If you want to choose from library or from here, for example let's pick image from here, for example this. Now let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the text section of the website. You can edit it from here. You can generate another text like this. You can edit the style of the section, the alignment or the spacing or the vertical alignment or the background. So let's save this. The next section is the list section of the website. You can edit it from here. You can change this. You can edit your display settings, choose what will be displayed for each list item. You can edit your list items here. If you want to add a list item, you can generate image. You can edit the image position. You can also generate the title or the contents. So like this. Now let's save this. If you want to edit the style of the section, the alignments, or the image, or the spacing, or the vertical alignments, or the background, so like all the previous sections, all of them has the same thing here on the style. So the next section is the testimonial section, also the same thing on the style. You can add testimonial here if you want to generate a code. You can also generate by who, and also here if you want to upload the file. So that's it. Now let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the location section for the website. You can edit it from here. You can change this, and here if you want to change the business address, you can add the text file. You can just add the title or the content here. So let's close this. On this section, it's different section on this style. You can here edit the type or the theme or the rounded corners. You can edit the marker color, the spacing, or the background. So let's close this. The next section is the contact form section. Now after you generate, or if you want to generate another text form or another contact form, you can manage files. You can turn this on and custom input labels. You can generate form success message. So let's save this. The next section is the last section on the website, the footer. You can change the business name. Also here you can turn this on, the logo, and upload the file. You can add any other relevance details like your business address. And also here if you want to edit your social links, you can also add the channel. You can select the type of the social link here and put the link here. So that's it. If you want to generate the content or the style or the entire section, just select any, click here and select any option you want. If you want to duplicate the section from here, if you want to move it up or move it down, and also if you want to delete the section from here. So now all you have to do is publish your website after you design and edit your business websites. All you have to do is publish it and get a free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.